Welcome back to Astro Quiz. Get ready to test your hearing skills and dive into a world of famous smartphone ringtones from around the globe. It's time for the Guess the Smartphone by the Ringtone. 25 rounds are waiting for you, and you'll have just 10 seconds each time to figure it out. Hit that like button, subscribe to Astro Quiz, and let's jump straight into the first ringtone challenge. Can you guess the smartphone by its ringtone? Perfect guess. It's Samsung. Which phone is ringing? That's correct. It's Huawei. Name this smartphone from the sound. The answer is Oppo. Can you recognize this ringtone? Superb Apple. Can you find the odd one out, Apple logo? Yes, here is the different one. Which mobile phone is this? That's right, BlackBerry. Listen carefully. Which smartphone is it? Yes, Nokia. Only true phone fans can guess this. Correct. That's Microsoft. Which brand owns this ringtone? You got it! Xiaomi. Would you rather never use an Apple phone again or subscribe to our channel? Can you identify the phone sound?
Hello, Moto.
Well done! It's Motorola.
Hello, Moto.
Whose ringtone is this? Amazing! Vivo. Guess the phone before time runs out. Wow, that's real me. Can you match the ringtone to the smartphone? Brilliant! It's LG. Take a close look at the picture and find the missing piece that fits perfectly. The correct answer is piece D. Which smartphone makes this sound? It's OnePlus. Recognizing the ringtone challenge starts now. Correct! That's Google Pixel. Which device is ringing right now? That's correct. It's HTC. Can you solve this ringtone challenge? You got it! Asus! Focus on this LG logo, it's shuffling right here. After stopping, can you guess under which cup it's resting? The right answer is cup number 3. Can you recognize this ringtone? That's right, Sony Ericsson. Which phone is ringing? Superb! Classic phone. Listen carefully. Which smartphone is it? Yes, Intex. Can you count all these logos before time runs out? Here are the right answers. Only true phone fans can guess this. The answer is Lenovo. How many did you guess correctly? Drop your score in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned because more exciting quizzes are coming your way.